Welcome to my dear student. So today our topic is force on a plate due to other plate of parallel plate capacitor. So suppose consider it is a parallel plate capacitor, plate X and plate Y. Plate area is equals to A. Surface charge density is sigma. X plate is positively charged, Y plate is negatively charged. Sigma is total charge by area. Alright, the distance between the two plate is D. Now we are going to find out force due to X on Y or due to Y on X, and the force is F, and the force is attractive in nature because they are opposite charges. Now let's see here the net electric field E dot F dot electric field between capacitor plate is E equals to, we know, potential by distance V by D. Now V is equals to, we can also write sigma by epsilon naught, and in place of the sigma we can write Q by epsilon naught A. Alright, now electric field between plates only due to plate X. Due to the X plate, electric field between the plates is Ex. It is equals to half of Q by epsilon naught A. This is the total electric field due to those two plate. Now if we consider for single plate electric field between those plates, this is half of that, so half of Q by epsilon naught A. Attraction force on plate Y is, now attraction force on plate Y is F is equals to Q into Ex. This is equals to Q, this is Ex Q by 2 epsilon naught A, Q square, it will be Q square 2 A epsilon naught. So this is the force between the two plate. Force on a single plate due to the other plate. Here also we can consider that electric field between plates only due to plate Y, Ey is also same, and attraction force on plate X also F is equals to Q into Ey, and this is also will be find out F is equals to Q square by 2A epsilon naught. Alright, so this is the force between the two parallel plate. Now we can write the force between the two parallel plate in such a way that F is equals to Q square by 2 epsilon naught A, which is equals to, we know Q is equals to CV, so it is equals to C square V square divided by 2 epsilon naught A equals to, we can write CV square divided by 2 epsilon naught A divided by C. we divide numerator and denominator by c, so it will be cv square by 2 epsilon naught a by c. This is c v square by 2 d, because we know c is equals to epsilon naught a by d. So d is equals to epsilon naught by c into a, and d is the separation between the plate. Okay, so we can write force between two parallel plate in such a way. Now dear student, one thing also we can find out: electrostatic pressure. So let's see here. Electrostatic pressure. So how we find out electrostatic pressure between two charged parallel plate? So dear student, electrostatic pressure on plate Y due to X. Here is the diagram. According to that diagram, electrostatic pressure on plate Y due to X is P is equals to, we know, force by area, and we also find out force is F is equals to Q square by 2A epsilon naught. So this is equals to Q square by 2A square epsilon naught. This is equals to sigma square divided by 2 epsilon naught. Here sigma is equals to Q by A. Now this is the electrostatic pressure. So electrostatic pressure P is equals to sigma square by 2 epsilon naught, and the force between two parallel plate capacitor, the expression is F is equals to Q square by 2A epsilon naught, or we can write those way. Thank you.